Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yakulina. I am a professional model, makeup artist and actress. And if you are new to my channel, go hit that subscribe button and notification button for inspirational videos from me. And in this video for today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know how to care for newborn puppies from a small breed.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page.
Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.